And now I have to open this my trunk door, and then we have to task that I have to open and remove this my tailgate, this inside cover, because there are these my warning lights, these parking lights in that area, and I have to open this area next. But let's look at how we open these plastic screws in here, that areas, because now I have to open these more. Okay, and we have really these screws in here, and for that opening, if we have tools like these, this opening is easier because I have to bend that little bit and then pull out, and this is not so easy because there is this system, this works so that now I have opened one, that there are parts that these are like together, and I have to pull out this screw so much. And now I install that in here, and in the side area, and finally this screw opens. And this is the trick. And this is not so easy to open, but let's go to look that area closer, that we can see that how I open that. Because it is not so easy in this side area, and then in middle, and then I pull out, and I file that first step, and this is really nice, and this is tight and 1 millimeter away, and I can use that another tool also, and these are very tight. Okay, now it opens, and there is the side area, and now I can pull out that totally good. Okay, and now when I have removed almost all of these screws, I can move that little bit in away, and then I have to look in these holes in here, and in here I can see and feel in these areas. I can feel these register plate bulbs in that area. Very difficult area to replace, but in this area we can see and replace these bulbs, and soon I take this away. First one is in here, and second one is in here, that area. Okay, and let's look soon that when I take those away. Okay, and now I install this back cover back. That cover, it goes in this way, and then I have these plastic screws, and firstly I have to compress this little bit that they goes in their inner in that way, and then I press that in here. And next we can look a little bit closer that area when I install one in here. And first step is that this area, the screw must be in this way, and then carefully in the central area, and I press that in these side areas. There's this hole, and in this side area, that way, and then finally press this in. Okay, now it went, and in that way I install next one, and there's important that this screw is like open, that I can compress these things in here and then good, it works nicely. And now I install then all of these screws back in that area. And remember that we can reuse these, and if this goes broken, we can go to visit in BMW car sales office, and they will sell these items. They cost about $2 per piece. Okay, good. And now I finish that job totally. Now cover is nicely back. Good.